was looking for a way of learning how to change the xenon light bulb on my E9X M3. However, there wasn't any video for it, and so I figured, you know what, let me do one. And I didn't realize that it was going to be this easy, but I'm going to work kind of backwards. Okay, so this is the actual light bulb that needs to be replaced. Okay, as you could tell, I had to take the inner plastic for the fender off, as you could tell here, and there are multiple screws, and I can give you the sizes as well. Okay, and there's a couple of clips that go to the oil cooler. Anyways, I didn't have to disconnect the oil cooler. However, as you could tell, I'm dangling the actual inner fender plastic on top of the brakes. So as you can tell here, I'm going to disconnect them. Disconnect the actual piece for the light bulb, and here it is, y'all. Here it is, and then you have to obviously disconnect it from there, put the other one back on, and then put everything back together again, put the wheel back on. However, on the videos that I was looking at previously, it showed that you could actually remove it from the very top, by opening up the hood. However, that wasn't the case. Not on this one. Like I said before, every time you look for E9X M3 to how to change it, it doesn't actually show you how to do this one right here, unless I didn't really search for it well. And maybe that could be the case, but either ways, I mean, I looked at plenty of videos and I couldn't find any. So here I am doing it. So I'm gonna work a little bit backwards. I think you're gonna have an idea of how to do it. If you have any questions, concerns, just let me know. I'm gonna come off because I'm doing it by myself, and then I'll come back and post the other videos. All right, here we go. I've already put the new one back on, and all you have to do really is push in inwards, and then boom, that's it. So I'm just to show you guys how to do that. And then just be careful when you put in the light bulb inside. You might hit the sides of the inner piece here and might damage the light bulb. Alright, and like I said before, now we will have to put everything back. As you can tell, there's a lot of bolts, but I will show you anyways. Okay, you remove this cover here, because that's where the light bulb is, behind there. And make sure you use the Allen key 1/8. As you can tell here, 1/8 is what I used to pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Okay, just as you see it, that's where it's inside. And again, I'm gonna be putting everything in order, hopefully. See how it looks. This is my first video, guys, so don't kill me. I just figure, you know what, I haven't seen anybody do it. Let me go ahead and do it for those that want to do it and save some money doing so. Really, it probably would not take me as long if I wasn't recording. I'm probably well into maybe 15 minutes for me taking the tires out and taking the plastic. And another thing too, this plastic here, believe it or not, dangling over here, actually saved me from being burned, because my car was actually pretty hot. So back together, but however, you see all these screws right here, they're gonna have to come out all the way up to right here, right here, right here, right here. The one right here at the bottom right here is the size is 1332 right here at the bottom. And then for the rest of those, they are 5/16s. Okay, so there will be this one, that one, this one, that one. Okay, normally, I mean, if you could, For this one, when you take this little cover here, that would be for the other light bulb you were able to get in there. However, to take out this bad boy, you have to take out all the plastic out. Don't forget, guys, to disconnect the oil cooler, because the oil cooler is actually connected to here. Okay, and don't mind me, this car has to go for an extreme makeover, or whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of, you know, pieces missing from it due to this great road conditions over here in Houston, Texas. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. From here on, I'll just go ahead and test it, make sure the light comes on. All right, guys, so basically I've concluded the video. Just wanted to touch on a few things. Whenever you go up to the dealership, if that's what you choose to do, be looking to pay around $250 for that light bulb. However, if you go to FCP Euro, and then by no means am I sponsored by FCP Euro, however, they do have the best price, is $187, unless there are cheaper websites. And if you do happen to find it, please comment down below where you think it might be cheaper. They do have several options, from the $187 to like $87, something like that. But I know it's much cheaper. And remember, guys, with FCP Euro, you do get a lifetime warranty, if I'm not mistaken, at least according to the video that they have posted in the past. Like I said, you know, this is my first video. You know, this is, in my opinion, the only way to do this. There is no way you could do it from the engine bay. There's just no way, like the other videos say. However, on the other videos, the E92, E91, E93 videos, those are not M3. They're not M cars. So just wanted to touch on those. If you have any questions, any concerns, or anything that I did wrong, please comment down below. As I said before, this is my first video. I just wanted to put this out there since I haven't seen anyone done it, and I figure, hey, why not? You know, I don't look to doing more of these videos, none whatsoever, to be honest. I work on my E30, I work on my M3, and I just don't post videos. But I think it's very helpful. That's all. I'm not really good at doing this. Actually, my 10-year-old daughter had to put the video together, and it's still not that great. Anyway, thank you for watching.